Hi, welcome to Commercial Gas Engineer channel. You may have one of my service sheets. If you haven't, send me an email to commercialengineer@mail.com. So just to remind you that you can use the sheet to put in your meters run of gas pipe and then times it by this number here, and then you get your volume here, and then you can work your way down, and it just has a step-to-step guide of how to get to your final IVT here. And over here you've also got the times as well. Do refer to your book as well, your gas reference book, for further guidance. I should update this part here with the room sealed ventilation. I went into a plant room recently that was 40 Celsius. It was pretty hot. What sort of temperatures have you been recording in plant rooms? I was given some advice that although additional ventilation is good, I heard an engineer say that they solved a great problem by lagging the pipework more. Sometimes you find a lot of pipework acting as heat emitters in plant rooms and reducing the building's efficiency. So if you see anything that needs lagging in a plant room, or you find a plant room that is extremely hot, flag it up so that you can get the client to pay for more lagging, and also it makes it a bit more comfortable for you working in a plant room rather than you being in 39, 40 Celsius. Do open up windows if there are in plant rooms, and open up doors and turn off the boilers and walk out for a while before you go in. Just keep yourself safe, because you'll be surprised you can actually pass out or things of that nature. You can pass out. Another thing, watch out for seagulls on roofs. This is a hazard I didn't think about, but watch out. And watch out for boilers that do not want to come on. So this unit was giving me trouble. This heat miser plus wasn't activating the boilers because of the weather. So I threw in a link on the switch live, a 230 volt link from live to switch live. Check out this unit. I was asked to inspect this HRU unit because there was no hot water. When I got there, there was. I think it was due to low system pressure due to leaking, because I had about 0.5 bar pressure. What would you do in this scenario? Have you come across any heat interface units like this? I mean, you can clean them up a bit with some emery cloth, but for me, I felt that this unit needed to be changed altogether. You can see the flow and return from the main boiler in the commercial room up there, but it's in quite a state. Let me know if you've had this experience before. Do you think this is just the cause of a leak not being sorted out, or do you think it could be the system needing dosing? What would you do if you find some popped fuses on a boiler? Okay, so it was one popped fuse. It was on this Hovel top gas boiler. I'd never worked on this before as far as I can remember. So I went and found some fuses from my van, quick blow fuses. I had a working boiler on the right, so that's going to be a game changer. So what I did is I first put a fuse in to see if it was just a surge of power that caused it to pop. But when I put the fuse in, the unit came on, and within a few seconds it went pop. So straight away I was thinking, even before that, what would you think it is? It must be a motor or something running that's causing this then. So I thought it's either the fan straight away. I'd put my money on the fan if I was a gambling man, or a pump after that. I've heard people say gas valves before, but I've never seen a gas valve cause that to happen. Okay, so what I did is I removed the leads, the modulating and the power lead on the fan, and then the power came on and the boiler didn't trip. So I straight away felt that was the cause. Another thing I did, what do you think was the other thing that you could do here? So I didn't contact the manufacturer, but what I did is I compared the resistance on my boiler on the right and my boiler on the left. So my boiler on the left first had 0.6 kilo ohms. There you have it, live and neutral. Then I checked the same on my boiler on the left, and I had 16.9 mega ohms. So there was quite a difference. So I booked up a new fan assembly.